Let us first see what is cardioid and how to draw that. So if you have equation r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta, or 1 minus cos theta, or 1 plus sine theta, or 1 minus sine theta, something like that, then obviously it is an equation of cardioid. Let us see now how to draw the cardioid. So what we will do, we will just consider here in this case the known angles on x and y plane. So suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis and clearly this is y-axis. We know that the angle of positive x-axis with itself is 0. The angle of positive y-axis with x-axis is pi by 2. This angle is pi. This angle is 3 pi by 2. And this angle is nothing but 2 pi. That is the complete circle in fact. So same way we will have here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and this angle is 2 pi again. Now what we will do, we will see what will be the corresponding cos theta for this known angles. So I have theta as 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Let us see what is the corresponding value of cos theta. So whenever theta is 0, cos theta is 1. Then for pi by 2, cos theta is 0. For pi, cos theta is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is again 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. So the first curve r equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. Let us see what will be the value of this r in this case. So whenever cos theta is 1, r is 2a. Whenever cos theta is 0, r is a. Whenever it is minus 1, r will be 0. For cos theta 0, r is a again. And for cos theta 1, r is again 2a. Let's see what is the value of r equals to a into 1 minus cos theta as well. So whenever cos theta is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. In that case, r is 0. Whenever cos theta is 0, r is a. Whenever cos theta is minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 is 2. So this will be 2a. Whenever cos theta is 0, again we will get r as a. For cos theta 1, we will get r as 0. So let us draw all these radius over here on xy plane. So look at this, whenever angle is 0, radius is 2a. Whenever angle is pi by 2, radius is a. Whenever angle is pi, radius is 0. Whenever angle is 3 pi by 2, radius is a again. As we are considering the radius is always positive, but this radius we are getting when angle is 3 pi by 2. So here will be the value a. Basically it is minus a, but the radius is a. Then again for 2 pi, the radius is 2a. So if I draw this, or if I join all these points, I'll get diagram something like this, and this is called as a cardioid. So this is a diagram which we will get whenever r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. Same way, let us draw the diagram for r equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. So whenever angle is 0, we're getting radius is 0. So this is the 0 point or origin, you can say. Similarly, when theta is pi by 2, r is a. So this is a. Whenever theta is pi, r is 2a. Whenever theta is 3 pi by 2, r is a. Basically this is minus a, but the radius is positive. And whenever theta is 2 pi, r is 0 again. So we'll have the diagram in this way. So this is a nice heart-shaped diagram and it is called as cardioid. Same way, if we have 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta, we'll get a cardioid again. Let us see how the shape of the cardioid that we are getting here in this case. So on the same basis, let us find out sine theta value for known angle theta. For theta equals to 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Let us see what is the corresponding value of sine theta. So sine 0 is 0, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine pi is 0, sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, and sine 2 pi is again 0. So first radius or first curve r equals to a into 1 plus sine theta. that is equal to, so whenever sine theta is 0, r is a. Whenever sine theta is 1, r is 2a. Whenever sine theta is 0, r is a again. For minus 1, r is 0. And for 0, again it is a. Similarly, we will see r equals to a into 1 minus sine theta also. So for sine theta 0, we'll get r as a. For sine theta 1, we will get r as 0. Whenever sine theta is equals to 0, we will get a. Whenever sine theta is minus 1, so 1 minus of minus 1, that is 2a. And whenever sine theta is 0, again we will get a. So let us plot this radius. So for first curve r equals to a into 1 plus sine theta, the radius for angle 0 is a. Then the radius for angle pi by 2 is 2a. Then the radius for angle pi is a. So basically this is minus a, but the radius is positive. So we have to take your a distance. And again for 3 pi by 2, the radius is 0. And for 2 pi, the radius is again a. So if I join all this line, I'll get the cardioid in this way. So this is the cardioid that I'll get whenever r is equals to a into 1 plus sine theta. Same way, let us draw this r equals to a into 1 minus sine theta as well. So for this, first we will have r is equals to a for angle 0. Then we will have r is equals to 0 for angle pi by 2. Then we will get r is equals to a for angle pi. So basically this is minus a, but the radius is a at angle pi. Then r is equals to 2a for 3 pi by 2. So this is 2a. And again it is a for angle 2 pi. So if I join this, we will get a cardioid in this way. So obviously this diagram is symmetric.
So this is the way we can draw cardioid. Thank you.